Powerful synthetic drugs that mimic the effects of marijuana and cocaine are becoming a drug of choice for many users. They're also making some people seriously ill, and early show consumer correspondent Susan Koeppen is here with details about this disturbing trend. Good morning, Susan.
Good morning, Rebecca. Fake pot and bath salts are some of the synthetic drugs that are out there. And not only are they making people sick, the number of people seeking emergency medical treatment because of these drugs is skyrocketing. And for some users, these drugs have proven fatal.
Here we go, take two.
There's growing concern over the use of synthetic substances to get high. Easy to find and in some cases perfectly legal to buy.
Do you have bath salts here?
Our staffer had no problem scoring fake pot and bath salts.
This one is more stronger than pizza.
Okay. How much is this?
That's $40. It's 3 grams.
Synthetic drugs, which mimic marijuana, cocaine, and ecstasy, are having powerful effects on users.
So we're seeing patients who are nauseous, vomiting, getting agitated, paranoid, have to come to emergency departments.
This Kentucky mom blamed the side effects of snorting bath salts after she was arrested for assaulting her child. In Minnesota last month, a 19-year-old died and 10 others went to the hospital after using a synthetic drug similar to ecstasy. And in Iowa last June, Jan and Michael Rosga's 18-year-old son David killed himself after getting high on synthetic pot.
It takes away your sense of reality and puts you in such a terrible place that you'll do anything to get away from it.
Are the hallucinations or agitation enough that he might?
According to the American Association of Poison Control Centers, the use of bath salts has led to more than 1,500 trips to emergency rooms so far this year, compared to just over 300 cases in all of 2010. And the number of poisonings from synthetic pot is staggering. More than 2,100 cases between January and March of this year, compared to 155 cases during the same time in 2010.
People are procuring substances that they have no idea what they're getting. They have no idea what the strength is.
The Drug Enforcement Administration has temporarily banned 5 substances used to make fake pot.
If youngsters are dying, it's a problem.
But in a hearing on Capitol Hill Wednesday, Michael Rosga called for a nationwide ban on synthetic substances.
When we think of something as being fake, we think of something as being inferior. I submit to you that fake marijuana and fake cocaine are anything but inferior in strength and anything but safe.
9 deaths have reportedly been linked to the use of synthetic drugs, and legislation named after David Rosga has been introduced in the Senate and would ban the chemicals used to make the fake pot. Rebecca.
Susan, troubling story, and looks like there's going to be a lot of debate going forward what to do about it. Thanks for joining us.